We're hooked up to Old Blue. See if we can't chase down some schooling fish on Broken Bow Lake. Hi, Aggie. Yep. You ready, Aggie? You ready? Get it, Aggie. Get it, Aggie. Well, this is the first bass of the day. Which is another testament to kayak fishing, because I spent $65 in gas and stuff this morning. I'll probably end up with maybe a couple more fish, but it's something different, I guess. Yep, they're chasing way up there. There was some right here too. Oh man, maybe. This is what we came out here for. It just hadn't happened yet. They are getting after it over there though. Did you get it, Aggie? Did you get it? Well, there's number 2. It's just not coming very quick, but there's still enough to keep you interested, I guess. Thank you. Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.